The 2012 BMW X1 sDrive20d EfficientDynamics Edition. BMW is readying yet another X1 variant for this year's fall lineup with the new X1 sDrive20d EfficientDynamics Edition. This new model will be powered by a 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 163 HP and delivers an average fuel consumption of 4.5 liters, 100 kilometers with a CO2 emission of only 119 grams per kilometer. With these numbers, the new model will become the most fuel-efficient X model yet. The engine for the new X1 has been optimized with a centrifugal force pendulum in the dual-mass flywheel, which compensates vibration experienced at low engine speeds, thus providing more riding comfort when the vehicle is driven within the economic low engine speed range. The gear shift point indicator fitted as standard has been adapted to suit the new engine characteristics. The new engine will also be combined with brake energy regeneration, auto start-stop function, electromechanical power steering, a disengageable air conditioning compressor, and tires with reduced rolling resistance. All told, the BMW X1 lineup will include 3 petrol and 4 diesel power units with power ranging from 143 to 245 HP.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.